Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is Monday, February 4th, and I am so pumped. My new car is being driven to me right now from Long Island, and I figured while I'm waiting, I can show you guys my old one really quick because it's not going to be on my channel anymore. So yeah, let's go check it out. You guys, so my new car was just delivered to my house. I've been waiting all day long for this and it is gorgeous. I am so excited. So I figured I would give you guys a quick little tour of the inside and outside.
Can we just talk? Can we just talk about where we're going before we get lost? Let me our thoughts. Can't get what we want without knowing. I've never felt like this before. I apologize if I'm moving too far. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Figure out where we're growing. Yeah. Started off right, I can see it in your eyes. I can tell that you wanting more.
Alright guys, so I am about to go head to the beach to go get some pictures of my car for my Instagram. Don't forget to check those out in the Instagram link down below. Also, you guys, I just got the most exciting letter in the mail today. I've been a member of my school's National Honor Society for 3 years now, but I still get so excited when I get these little acceptance letters. So this one says, "Congratulations, based on your outstanding academic achievement, Sigma Alpha Lambda, a national leadership and honors organization, proudly invites you to become a member of its Montclair State University chapter." I'm so happy. Like, I cannot wait to show my mom because this stuff is just exciting. Even if you're already like a part of it, it just is so rewarding because you know that all your hard work and effort actually does pay off in the end. Hey guys, so I'm out at the beach while my friend is shooting my car and he brought his puppy. So cute. Come here. Titus. Hi. Hi. Hi.
There's just so many of them. Hustles got so many of them. Everybody pulling at me. Can't leave the house without everybody looking at me. Had a dream last night that my wife was at my wake with my son. He said, "Look at daddy." Something got me thinking this might be the end, but if it is, you gon' wish for a G when I'm gone. Drifting away, wave after wave, wave after wave, slowly drifting away. And it feels like I'm drowning, pulling against the stream, pulling against the wave, drifting away, wave after wave, wave after wave, slowly drifting away. And it feels like I'm drowning, pulling against the stream. Oh, my face above the water.
Hi guys, I'm with my cousin Serena and we are about to go to the cutest little cafe ever, and then we're gonna like do some work after and study. You guys, look at how cute this little place is. I love it so much.
I'm all alone now. Check it out. Me and you should
Spray Lysol on them.
Oh my god. Alright guys, I am back from eating all my pizza and my wings. I'm so stuffed right now. That is the best place ever. If you live in New Jersey, you have to try Urban Coal House in Red Bank. It is so good. You'll thank me later. Don't forget, let me know what you want to see down in the comments down below. And like and subscribe. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this week's video of getting a new car. And yeah, good night guys.